So in this tutorial, we're going to be going over some basic Excel functions that you're going to need to know to be an efficient Excel user. So as you can see over here, we have some data. We have month and unit sales. We have all the unit sales for the whole year. However, we do not have all the months for the year. And a quick way to do that is we don't want to type it all out. It would take years. So we want to go down to we want to select the January box. We want to go down to the bottom right hand corner of the box until our cursor is a black plus sign. We can click and drag all the way down to December. And say we go a little bit too far, we go down to accidentally, we go down to April. We can do the same exact thing just on the bottom right hand corner, click and then just drag right up to however far you want to go. And an even quicker way to do that is we can just select January and we can go to the same bottom right hand corner of the box. We can double click and it'll go all the way down to the end of the data in the C column. So what we want to do is maybe we want to find total unit sales. So right here, like any Excel function, we have to start it with an equal sign. And we want to find the total, so we want to use the sum function, SUM. And then we want to put the open parentheses. We want to click the top, bring it down to the last month, and then close the parentheses, and then we're going to click enter. And there you have it. There's your sum of units. Now, another thing that you will probably need to know how to do is create a chart. So what we're going to do is select all of the data in the table. We're going to go to Insert. Let's do a line graph, do one with markers, and here you have it, quick and easy. It has all the months, it has all the units. Now, someone who's looking at this may not know how far this is, like how 4,000, but what is it, closer to 5,000 or is it closer to 4,000? So what we can do is to less confuse them, we can click on the data points, we can right click, we go down to add data labels, click add data labels. And then, as you can see now, we have every data label on the graph. And if it's in a little bit of a tough spot to see, we can just click and drag. And there you have it. There it is. And we can also, to help the viewer look at the graph a little bit better, we can select the chart. We can go over to the Design tab. And then we can go all the way to the left to add chart elements. We can go over to Excel, or Axis tiles, and then primary vertical. Click that. We can call it units, so they know that we're not talking about dollars or pounds or anything. And then we can click and drag it to whatever spot we want to make it, right there. So there is a quick Excel table and Excel graph creating. Very easy, very basic. I hope you learned.